In this present lecture, we'll complete this article or this chapter from your 11th standard, that is circle. I think this chapter it is already studied in 10th. हा 10वीला chapter होता. Circle, it is the locus of infinite points such that distance of any point from fixed point it should be constant. What is this fixed point called? It is center of the circle and it is denoted by C. What is this fixed or this constant distance called? I think you are knowing it is called radius of the circle and it is denoted by small r. As far as your syllabus of 11th standard, 11वीचा सिलेबस विचारात घेतला तर तुम्हाला फक्त एकच आर्टिकल डिस्कस करायचे आणि ते आर्टिकल म्हणजे इक्वेशन ऑफ ए सर्कल. ठीक आहे. बरं, हे इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल डिस्कस करायचं असेल तर तुमच्याकडे एकूण 5 फॉर्म्स आहेत. हे बोर्डवर जे 5 फॉर्म लिहिले आहेत या 5 फॉर्मचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आज घेऊया. हा चॅप्टर इथंच क्लोज होईल म्हणतोय. जस्ट व्हेरी फर्स्ट फॉर्म वी हॅव रिटन हिअर, इट इज अ स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. सर्कलचा स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म डिस्कस करायचा असेल तर दॅर इज अ मॅन्डेटरी कंपल्शन इज लाईक दिस. सेंटर इज ओरिजिन. What is the center of the circle? Center of the circle it should be 0, 0 and it is here O. Now actually when center is origin and radius is r, then we have to remember the formula for standard circle. What is the equation of standard circle? Circle should be having formula x square plus y square equal to r square. If you remember this formula, your problem over for standard form. Second form it is center radius form. So in center radius form there is compulsion is like this. इथं बंधन तसं स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड इथं जे होतं सेंटर ओरिजिन लागतं, इथं सेंटर एनी चालतं. एच इज एनी रियल नंबर, के इज एनी रियल नंबर, सेंटर इज एच कॉमा के, रेडियस इज आर. Then equation of circle having formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square it is equal to r square. It is complete. This is formula for standard form. This is formula for center radius form. After that there is a diameter form. You are knowing the concept of diameter. Diameter is the biggest chord and that chord passes through center of the circle when A and B, x1 y1 and x2 y2, these 2 points are end points of diameter. Then equation of circle is given by this formula: x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0. Fourth one, that form is called general form. You have to remember the formula. हा फॉर्म्युला पाठ करावा लागेल तुम्हाला. इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल इन जनरल फॉर्म x स्क्वेअर प्लस y स्क्वेअर प्लस 2gx प्लस 2fy प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. हे असं इक्वेशन दिलं असेल एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर म्हणजे एक्स स्क्वेअरचा कोएफिशियंट आणि वाय स्क्वेअरचा कोएफिशियंट कंपल्सरी 1 लागेल. जर 1 नसेल तर तो 1 आणावा लागेल आणि मगच हा फॉर्म्युला कंटिन्यू करता येईल. असा जर फॉर्म कंटिन्यू केला तर त्याचं सेंटर असेल मायनस जी कॉमा मायनस एफ आणि त्याची रेडियस असेल जी स्क्वेअर प्लस एफ स्क्वेअर मायनस सी. After that one, very last form it is called parametric form. What is the parametric form of circle? You have to write like this: x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. This formula it is for parametric form. You have to remember this one. And if it is asked for general form, formula is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. I think theory of this chapter over here only. 11th chapter circle. It is a very straight and very simple chapter. We have to take problems on this one. Now I will select few problems from standard, few problems from center radius, then diameter form, and next one general form, and very last one it is parametric form. One by one problems continue करूया from your book actually. Right here one by one examples we will take. I will write that one. Now we'll take problems. Now we'll take problems on this one. Find the equation of circle. Very first problem we'll take. Find the equation of circle. Just we'll write here. Find the equation of circle with center as origin. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with center at origin with center at origin and radius is 4. Radius is 4. हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करूया. बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर इट इज सेंटर काय दिले ओरिजिन, म्हणजे इथं स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म वापरता येईल. बाय स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म comma the equation of circle is what is the formula for equation of circle? X square plus y square it is equal to r square. So it is x square plus y square it is equal to r square, means radius is given to be 4, so it is a 4 square. So problem completes here only. It is equal to x square plus y square equal to 16. Second question is given, find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with center. Find the equation of circle with center 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 and radius 5. And radius 5. Now here center is given to be 3 comma minus 2, means this is here h and here it is k, and radius is given to be 5. You have to write by center radius form. By center radius form the equation of circle is, by center radius form the equation of circle is, you are knowing the formula for center radius form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square it is equal to r square. X minus h it is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square and it is equal to 5 square. If we simplify this, just after simplification x square minus 6x plus 9, simplify बरोबर x minus 3 चा square, x square minus 6x plus 9, square of this y plus 2, y plus 2 चा square असेल y square plus 4y plus 4 and it is equal to 5 square it is 25. Now shift this 25 on left, here it is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y, this 9 plus 4 it is 13 minus 25 it is equal to 0. So what is your answer? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 it is equal to 0 is a required equation of circle. Is a required equation of the circle. In present lecture we have to take problems on these articles only, that is equation of circle having how many forms? Different 5 forms. Now take we'll take next problem from this center radius form actually. Now third one problem, it is find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle with center at minus 3 comma minus 2 and radius is 6 and radius is 6 and radius is 6. You have to continue with same portion, that is center and radius both are given. You have to continue by center radius form. By center radius form. If you have to continue by center radius form, what is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square and is equal to what? R square. What is value of h? Minus 3. What is value of this k? Minus 2. And what is value of radius? It is 6. So here it is h and here it is k. So can I write this as x plus 3 whole square? Here is minus 2. So we have to write here y plus 2 whole square and radius is 6. So we have to write here 6 square. Problem completes here. Make a square. What is square of x plus 3? It is x square plus 6x plus 9. What is square of this y plus 2? It is a y square plus 4y plus 4. This is a 36, but if we shift on left hand side, it is a minus 36. It is equal to 0. After simplification, we are getting answer. याला सिम्प्लिफाय करूया. फायनल स्टेप कोणती असेल? एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर प्लस 6x प्लस 4y, and after that this is 9 plus 4, 13 minus 26, 13 minus 36, 13 minus 36, can I write this as minus 23? So it is minus 23 and is equal to 0. Whatever I have written on the board, it is the required equation of circle. Now we will change the matter actually. In this one, center it is provided, radius is provided. That's why we are using center radius form. Suppose one change they have given. Suppose this one question is given. Find the equation of circle. Suppose this question I will write. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of circle with center at 2 comma minus 1 and passing through the point 3 comma 6. I think in order to make command on the circle, firstly I will draw the figure. Here is a circle having center 2 comma minus 1. Suppose this is C, and any point on the circle they have given, it is a P. Circle passes through that point P 3 comma 6. By geometry, whatever the distance CP we are having, that is your radius. Means we have to find the radius. तुम्हाला फक्त कशाची किंमत काढावी लागेल? रेडियसची. तुम्हाला सेंटर माहिती आहे, तुम्हाला रेडियस काढायचं असेल तर कोणतं डिस्टन्स काढा? CP. I think in 10th standard that is the distance formula to find the or measure the distance between C and P. For this current problem, या current problem साठी एक best situation we have to find the radius of the circle first, and in order to find the radius of the circle we have to find the distance between C and P. I will firstly find, actually here center is given. What is center provided here? 2 comma minus 1 means it is H, and this is here K. What is radius? A radius means which distance? CP, and CP means it is the square root of, this is a 3 minus 2 whole square plus 6 plus 1 whole square. It is equal to, it is a 1 square plus 7 square. 1 square means 1, 7 square means 49, and it becomes a root 50. It is value of what? Radius. Just I will make 2 tick marks. I think this tick mark means center of the circle, and this tick mark means radius of the circle. We have to find the equation of circle. Kunta form, which form we are using here? Center is known, radius is known. Which form we have to use? Center radius form. We will write like this, by center radius form. We have to continue here, by center radius form. By center radius form. The equation of circle is, equation of the circle is, actual formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. It is equal to r square. In present problem, h, k and r, I think you are 100% knowing. H means 2, k means minus 1, and r means root 50. If we place here only x minus h means minus 2 whole square, y plus 1 whole square, and it is equal to r square means root 50 whole square. Just proceed. X minus 2 whole square means x square minus 4x plus 4. Next question is, what is y plus 1 whole square? It is y square plus 2y plus 1. And very last, root 50 square, it is 50. Now transfer this 50 on left. You are having x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y. This 4 plus 1, it is 5. 50 is shifted on left, it is minus 50. So what should be answer? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 45. It is equal to 0. It is actually equation of circle. I think up to this problem we have just revised the 2 concepts. that is standard form, and second one is center radius form. Now we will take problem on diameter form also and general form also. Now just proceed for that diameter form. Just I will take problem from diameter form. Next problem is from diameter. Here it is, fifth one. Suppose find the equation of circle. Question is find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle with capital A 2, -3 and capital B -3, 5 as end points of diameter. As end points of diameter. End points of the diameter. End points of the diameter. You have to proceed like this. In order to solve this problem, just we will write x1 y1 for first point and x2 y2 for second point. Here problem is given for end points of diameter. So which form we are using? By diameter form. By diameter form. What is the equation of circle? The equation of the circle is the equation of the circle is, what is the equation of circle? X minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0. So we have to place here x minus 2 x plus 3 plus y plus 3. Y plus 3 is here only, y minus y1, and it is y minus y2 means here minus 5, it is equal to 0. We have to continue here. X into x, it is x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 plus y square minus 5y plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. So here equation is x square plus y square minus 5x minus 2y minus 21 is equal to 0 is a required equation of circle. Is required equation of the circle. Is a required equation of the circle. Now 1 minute, we will take one next problem. Here they have given find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle if two diameters are, if two diameters are 2x plus y equal to 6 and 3x plus 2y and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 and radius is 9 and radius is 9. In order to clear the problem, if we draw the figure, problem becomes quite simple. You are knowing diameter is a line. This is your first diameter. Diameter number 1, it is a 2x plus y, it is equal to 6. You are knowing the concept of diameter. Diameter is a line, it is the biggest, or diameter it is the biggest chord which is passing through origin. Suppose second diameter, if I have taken second diameter, it is also line, means this 3x plus 2y, it is equal to 4. Second diameter, it is a chord, it is the biggest chord, it is passing through origin, means 100% diameter intersect at what? Center. So in order to find the coordinates of center, सेंटरचे कॉर्डिनेट काढण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, तर हे डायमीटरचे जे दोन इक्वेशन्स आहेत ते दोन्ही सॉल्व करावं लागतील. म्हणजे इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड द coordinates ऑफ सेंटर वी हॅव टू सॉल्व दी equations of diameter. You are getting center. After getting center, if you find center of the circle, radius is already given. Center is known, radius is known. Which form we have to use here? Center radius form. So for that one, center is the point of intersection of. Center is the point of intersection of the diameters. Which diameters they have given? 2x plus y is equal to 6, and second is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. In order to solve this here, if we have to solve this, I think multiply first by 2. So 4x plus 2y is equal to 12. Second is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So what we are getting after subtraction, here it is x is equal to 8. Now put x equal to 8 in equation number 1. Suppose this is first equation, this is your second equation. First equation means 2x plus y, it is equal to 6. So what is the value of y we are having? इधर y ची किंमत कोणती निघेल? हे 2 8 जा 16 तिकडे सबट्रॅक्ट केलं तर it becomes minus 10. X we are knowing, y we are knowing. What is center of the circle? That is 8 comma minus 10. We'll write like this. So center is 8 comma minus 10 and radius is provided 9. Center is known, radius is known. Which form we are using? By center radius form. By center radius form, the equation of the circle is, what is the equation of circle? Here it is 8 and it is 10. So it is first is x minus 8 whole square, second is y plus 10 whole square and is equal to 9 square. Now it becomes very simple, just calculation is remain. We will continue like this: x square minus 16x plus 64 plus y square plus 20y plus 100. This 9 square means 81, it is shifted on left, it is minus 81. So we have to proceed like this: x square plus y square minus 16, it is last line, it is 20y, and after that 164, it is 164 and minus 81. Can I write this as 83? 4 minus 1 3, 16 minus 8 8, it is 83, but it is a plus 83 I think, and is required equation of circle actually. Now we will take few problems on general form and one problem we have to take on parametric form in order to find the equation of circle in general form. Question is given like this: I think 7 questions we have find the center and radius. Find the center and a radius of the circle. Find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. In order to find the equation of circle, I think compare it with. If we compare this, what we are having, 2g equal to minus 2, 2f is equal to 4, and c is equal to what? C is equal to minus 4. So we are having g equal to minus 1, f is equal to 2. Now find directly center and radius. Now this form is called general form. So what is center of the circle and what is radius of the circle? If we continue, what is the formula for center? It is minus g comma minus f, means center is minus g, means change the sign here, reverse or opposite sign, minus 1 plus 1, here it is plus 2, we have to write minus 2, and here formula for radius. I think you are knowing the formula for radius. What is the formula of radius here? It is radius is g square plus f square minus c. It is a square root of, what is g square? G square means here minus 1 square, f square means 2 square, and minus c means minus 4. So we have to write square root 1 plus 4 plus 4. It is square root of 9. Radius is never negative, so radius comes out to be 3. Question is, find the center and radius of this circle. Firstly, compare the general equation of circle with that general form, and after comparison we have to compare this equation with actually x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c and is equal to 0. If we compare, we are having 2gx, it is minus 2, 2fy, so 2f is 4, and c is equal to minus 4. Suppose this question is given, question number 9, find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Or 1 minute. Find the equation of circle of radius. Find the equation of circle of radius 5 and concentric with the circle, and concentric with the circle. Concentric with the circle. Circle is given x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. I think you are knowing the concept of concentric. This concept you are knowing. Concentric means, suppose this is first circle and this is your second circle. But if both circles having same center, then these two circles are called concentric circle. Now this is your given circle, but required circle and this given circle both are concentric, means 100%. Whatever the center of this given circle will be having, same center your required circle will be having, and radius of required circle is given to be 5. Center is known, radius is known. Which form we have to use? Center radius form. Firstly, what is given circle? We'll solve in detail here. What is given circle? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, or here plus 12. It is a plus 12 given. So if we compare, what is here 2g, what is 2f, and what is c? 2g means this minus 6, this is 2f, it is a 4, and that last one is c here. So if we continue, g is equal to minus 3, f is equal to 2. Now from that one, center of given circle. What is center of given circle? It is minus g comma minus f. It becomes interchange the signs. Here is minus 3 and plus 2. We have to write 3 and minus 2. We had 3 and minus 2. Whatever I have written, it is the center of what? Given circle. But we want center of required circle. Remember this word. Concentric means here inner circle, it is the first circle, this is second circle. If both circles having same center, then that two circles are called concentric circles. Now here it is a center of given circle. In order to find the center of required circle, both circles are concentric, means I will write in same fashion. Center of required circle is equal to, what is center of required circle? If we continue this one, center is also same, that is 3 comma minus 2. Center is known, and what is given? Radius. What is radius given? Radius is given to what? 5. Now these tick marks are important. These two tick marks means these are the important cases here. This is center of required circle and this is radius of required circle. So which two quantities we are knowing, center is known, radius is known. Which form we have to use? Center radius form. So we will write by center radius form. Equation of circle is, I will write here, by center radius form, by center radius form, comma, the equation of circle is, the equation of the circle is, of the circle is, it is straightforward, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, it is equal to r square. This is your h value, this is your k value. Just I will place here, it is x minus 3 whole square plus y, that is minus 2, but we have to write here plus 2 whole square, and k means radius means 5 whole square. Just simplify. What is square of this x minus 3? It is x square minus 6x plus 9. Here square is y square plus 4y plus 4, and this 25 is taken on left. It is minus 25 equal to 0. So what is your final answer? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y, it is 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 25, it is minus 12 equal to 0, and is required circle. This is equation of required circle actually. Now firstly, I will take first one single problem from parametric, and after that, if time we are having, then we will take few examples on that another forms, or few examples on the circle chapter. Question is here for parametric. Find the parametric equations of circle. Find the parametric equations of circle. Find the parametric equations of the circle. Find the parametric equations of the circle. Circle is given to be x square plus y square equal to 9. Here I think radius is 3 or radius is 9. 9 it is r square, so that's why radius is 3. So what are parametric equations? Parametric equations are, parametric equations are, first is x equal to r cos theta, and second is x equal to r sin theta. So if we place, first is x equal to 3 cos theta, and second we have to write here, this is y actually. So this y is equal to, r means 3 sin theta. So 3 cos theta and 3 sin theta. These two equations are equations of circle in which form here? Parametric form. Suppose some different question is asked. Question number 11 here. Find the parametric equations. Find the parametric equations. Find the parametric equations of the circle. Now I will change the format for circle. Here circle is given to be x square plus y square. It is a plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now remember one thing. In order to get the answer, we have to write the answer in we have to write this format in center radius form. Center radius form means x minus h whole square, like this one. Here it is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will take x term first, x square plus 2x, then y terms, y square minus 4y, and this 4 is taken on right. So which quantity is added in order to get a perfect square? X square plus 2x perfect square होण्यासाठी कोणती quantity add करावं लागेल? We have to add 1. So 1 is added here, 1 is subtracted, plus which term is added here? Y square minus 4y, add 4, subtract 4, and is equal to 4. Now this is minus 1 and this is minus 4, this is minus 5. Minus 5 if we take on right, then it becomes plus 5, and these numbers or these expressions can be written as a perfect square. It is a perfect square of x plus 1, it is a perfect square of y minus 2. So I can write like this. I can write this equation as x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 plus 5 means x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to what? 9. Let x is x plus 1 and this y is equal to y minus 2. So your equation becomes x square plus y square, it is equal to 9, means x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. So we can write parametric equations in fast now. The parametric equations of circle we can write here. The parametric equations are, so what are parametric equations of this circle? X and it is 3 square written, so x equal to 3 cos theta, and next one is y equal to 3 sin theta. Here written in fast, but remember one thing, this x is not as it is x, this x is replaced by x plus 1, so that is we have to write here x is x plus 1 equal to 3 cos theta, and this y means y minus 2 equal to 3 sin theta. So that is last here x equal to 1 is taken on right, minus 1 plus 3 cos theta, and what is this y? This minus 2 is taken on right, so it is a 2 plus 3 sin theta, and these two equations are called parametric equations of circle actually. We have found parametric equations here. Now somewhat change question we will take. Find the equation of circle. Question number 12. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0 and touching y axis and touching y axis. Just 1 minute. Now we'll write in fast. If it is asked for center, then what is center of the circle? It is a 2 comma, make a half, it is 2 comma minus 3, it is a point in which quadrant? 4th, and it is touching y axis, means it touch y axis, so we have to write like this. This is figure for circle. It is center is 2 comma minus 3, and if we find this distance, what is the radius? Radius equal to 2. Now it is for practice. Center is 2 comma minus 3 and radius is 2. Which form we have to continue? That is center radius form we have to continue and get the required equation of circle. It is for practice actually. Okay, let it be. We'll stop here only. In next lecture we'll take next chapter. Here chapter as far as 11th is completed here. Okay.